On the National Day of 1958, the Shanghai Light Bulb Factory launched an ambitious plan to develop an advanced tandem rotor, multi-purpose helicopter for use in air, land, and sea operations, as a gift for the National Day celebration. Judging from the timing, it was obviously aimed at the celebration of the 10th anniversary of the founding of the People's Republic of China. This helicopter was called Shangdeng-1, which was a direct abbreviation for the Shanghai Light Bulb Factory's No. 1 helicopter. The predecessor of the Shanghai Light Bulb Factory was actually a Shanghai branch established by an American company in 1917. It was the first factory in Shanghai to produce civilian light bulbs. In 1952, it was renamed the state-owned Shanghai Light Bulb Factory. In addition to producing light bulbs, it also engaged in research and production in other electrical areas. For example, in 1953, it successfully developed the first domestically produced tungsten wire. The Shangdeng-1 was designed as a multi-purpose vehicle for air, land, and sea operations. It adopted a tandem rotor design with a bus-like body shape. The 4-point wheeled landing gear also served as tires for ground travel. The body was sealed and should be able to land directly on water and travel. The aircraft was expected to be powered by a multi-cylinder piston engine with an estimated output of 450 horsepower. In addition to driving 2 sets of 3-bladed main rotors, it also drove the rear propeller and wheels. The 2 main rotors rotated in opposite directions to overcome torque reaction. The cockpit accommodated 2 crew members, and the cabin could carry 4 passengers. The Shangdeng-1 had a maximum takeoff weight of approximately 1,800 kilograms, a maximum flight speed of 150 kilometers per hour, a maximum range of approximately 650 kilometers, a maximum altitude of approximately 3,000 meters, a maximum ground travel speed of 100 kilometers per hour, and a maximum water travel speed of 12 kilometers per hour. The rotor blades could be folded and traveling on land or water. Although many later articles praised the Shangdeng-1, it is undeniable that the project was not successful. It was just a gift project proposed by the factory, which did not have the technical expertise in helicopter development. At the same time, most domestic industries did not have the experience in this field, and there were no suitable engines, let alone the complex technological requirements such as rotor blades/hubs, flight control systems, and electrical systems. The development of the Shangdeng-1 did not receive sufficient industrial support. Furthermore, the structure of the Shangdeng-1 was too complex, trying to accommodate air, land, and sea operations, and such a multi-purpose helicopter does not exist even today. Looking at the development of the helicopter industry in China at that time, the government had its own development plan. In 1958, the J-5 helicopter was test-flown, which was actually a copy of the Mi-4 helicopter. The government was aware of the domestic industrial situation and was not in a hurry to independently develop and produce helicopters, which was the most suitable approach for the country. As for the Shangdeng-1, the project was terminated shortly after it started, and only a model was built.